We have some bad news in the AutoKeyCard case. Let's go ahead and talk about it. What's up, Wolverines? Welcome back to John Crump News. I'm your host, John Crump, and I discuss 2A news on this channel. Today, our news isn't that good, but it is expected. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and thank our sponsor. Gideon Optics makes some of the best optics at an affordable price. So why spend money on an optic where you can get a cheaper optic that is just as good? Go ahead and check out Gideon Optics, and for a limited time, you can use code CRUMPY and get 10% off and free shipping on all orders. All right, guys, I'm going to list all the documents down below, and while you're there, you can enter a contest to win a really cool item. Also, during this video, I'm going to put out a secret word that you can enter in the contest to get 100 free bonus entries. I do want to shout out a very special person, Laura Coffer Taylor. Thank you for watching all my videos, and I know you're watching this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about what is going on in the AutoKeyCard case. As we know, sentencing is coming up on September 6th. There was an outstanding motion to acquit for Matthew Hoover and Justin Irvin on all charges. The judge has had this item for a long time, and she has been reviewing this. Usually after a jury convicts someone, a judge does not actually overturn the verdict, although they have the ability to if a motion for acquittal is filed. And after the jury decided that there was enough evidence to convict Matthew and Justin, the judge got a motion for acquittal from the defense teams. This was filed and the judge reviewed it. And now we know the judge's decision. The judge decided to deny the motion for acquittal, saying that there was a preponderance of evidence to convict both Matthew Hoover and Christopher Justin Irvin beyond a reasonable doubt. So this is basically what we expected. Judges hardly ever overturn jury verdicts. It would have to be something very out of left field, and the judge didn't find that to be the situation in this case. The opinion is pretty long, and she breaks down a lot of the evidence, so please hold all vitriol towards the judge for now, because that can only hurt Matthew and Justin's situation. So what is the next step? On September 6th, both guys will go for their sentencing. We know what the sentencing will probably look like. We also know that Laura Coffer Taylor is pushing for a longer sentence. Just to recap, CRS Firearms is looking at 22 to 32 months, either incarceration or supervised release. That is what his pre-sentencing investigation report stated that is probably the best bet. The PSR for Christopher Justin Irving said that since he's already been in prison for a long time, or actually jail for a long time, that he should be released with 3 years of probation. We also do know that Laura Coffer Taylor is pushing for 8 years for both guys in a federal penitentiary. Hopefully that won't be the case, and I doubt it will be the case. So we'll find out what happens on September 6th. I wish I could be there, but unfortunately I cannot be there. But yeah, that's the situation. If you can get to the courthouse on September 6th, we would definitely appreciate it, just to show that the guys have support. Erica Hoover, Matthew Hoover's wife, who is currently running CRS Firearms, she is aware of the denial of acquittal. So if there's any questions about that, she already knows. I doubt she's going to be talking about it, but just give her a break. Don't really bug her about it at all. All right, guys, that is it. There is another story that just dropped in my lap, but I got to read through a bunch of documents, so that might not be until this afternoon, but there should be another video coming out shortly. Tomorrow, there's definitely going to be a video, because I have some big news. And the day after that, there's going to be another big story dropping. So, yeah, my whole week is booked, basically. Oh, secret word of the day is Laura. Laura. So go over to my website, enter Laura, and get your free 100 bonus entries. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you have a great day. Remember to love each other and stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keep in the fight. I am out of here. Wolverine's motherfucker.